It is now possible to include a preliminary questionnaire before accessing the end-user interface of a document in Docxpresso. This allows us for adding extra info in the form of explanatory videos, tips, or extended help, or ask the end user for data that may shape the structure of the final document. Let us first see a simple example so we later may explore how to achieve the desired result. In this case, we have created a preliminary questionnaire for a mock Docxpresso license agreement. This first slide includes a video and some general introduction. The end user may navigate sequentially through these slides, and in the first one we are prompted to introduce some data, in this case the name of the potential client. The properties and validations of this variable are inherited from the ones in the document, and like you can see, we cannot advance in this case if we do not introduce a client name. So let's write one and click. This slide asks the user to choose for a type of license. For example, if we choose permanent, we just click. And finally, we're asked to confirm the data that is going to be loaded into the document. If we want to change it, we just have to click backwards, but in this case, we will just say load data. And like you can see, the data has been properly loaded. Here is the company name that I introduced, and in particular, the license type is permanent. Because of the configuration of this template, I am able to change it now from here. But we can block that behavior. How all of this was achieved? If we just go to Edit, we access the edition interface, and we go here to questionnaire. This is of course optional, but like you can see here, we have activated the questionnaire. We introduce a title, some preliminary description, and in this case, a YouTube video. But the most important part, of course, are the slides. So like you can see, here we have two slides, we can edit them, and we have to introduce a title. We have to associate one of the available variables. In this case, we have this list, and we have chosen client. And we can choose an icon that we can change here, for example, to this one. Okay, and save changes. In the second case, we just have another variable with a different icon, a different name, of course, and we can add, in principle, as many slides as desired and change their order also. Whenever we are ready, we just click on Save Questionnaire, Save and Preview, and we access the document that we have seen before. So it is just that simple. I hope you have found this functionality interesting, and thanks for your attention.